Well, joining us right now is KK Shailaja. She is the outgoing minister from this Kerala government. But not just that, she is also a legislator who has won with a record margin of more than 60,000 votes. How do you see the decision of not including you as part of the new cabinet in Kerala government?
It's a policy decision of our party and the Left Democratic Front that our party decided that all the ministers should be newcomers and no other minister previously who were in the office was not with the new cabinet. And according to that decision, I also decided to quit.
Why would this decision be made? Because when I say that, if you look at social media, if you look at the responses from people, one, you won with a record margin, which says that people had the faith in you, they wanted you back. That is one, of course. Second, in terms of the kind of response that's coming from social media, we want KK Shailaja back, Shailaja teacher should be back. There was a faith in you as a health minister. So why this decision?
I think that's all emotional thing because everyone, when they come to new responsibility, they are freshers and they are newcomers. And we have to give chances to other people also. There are so many workers in our party, and if they get opportunity, they will also work hard.
How do you see criticism, or some people say, listen, this is now a left government which is getting very autocratic in its style?
We cannot say so. If there are new women candidates also in this cabinet, two are there. Last time also I and Mercy Kuti was there, and this time Professor Bindu and Veena George, they will be in the assembly, and we cannot say that it is autocratic, and it is a policy decision, and all the ministers who were in the last cabinet is not there. Not only me, but the other ministers was not there.
5 years as a first-time minister. I'm sure you have a lot of things to talk about, but what is that one thing that comes to your mind the most when you look at your 5 years?
Yeah, there are so many things, during the 5 years, I'm satisfied that I was working sincerely and working hard with my colleagues, the other ministers and the cabinet, and I was satisfied with that. I have so many experiences in my life that several times I have to undergo several kinds of threats and difficult situations.
By threats you mean challenges?
Yeah, meaning challenges that the Nipah virus and this COVID-19 virus and even flood and other thing. And the health system was experiencing a greater threat. We cannot compare that to previous years. But our government overcome, how we work hard to overcome that. It was a teamwork, and I'm satisfied with that teamwork. And I have so many occasions or so many experiences, touching experiences during these 5 years. And I think I am satisfied with that experiences also.
How would you respond to people who are saying this is a misogynist decision of a party?
No, we cannot say so because every time the freshers should come. When I came to office, I was fresh candidate. And so many workers are there in the party, and they should also get the opportunity to prove their work or to serve the society. They should also get the opportunity. I'm thinking so.
Is this same like why Mr. Thomas Isaac or other experienced MLAs, former ministers were not even fielded in the elections?
Yeah, they were not even fielded in the elections. And I contested in the election and I won also. I am now...
You won in a historic manner, just the way the left won in a historic manner.
Thanks to the people. And I can work as an MLA in my constituency and also with my party.
Well, you are going to be the party's chief whip. All the best, Ms. KK Shailaja. As a minister and as a journalist, I think this is also one of the ministries that we have closely followed. And her team says she worked closely as a team. With camera person SP Babu, Sneha Koshi for NDTV.